Sometimes
Okay, hello guys.
Hello, Ty.
It can. Now I'm in London.
Okay,
With
tapos
one
na
of the
in
biggest law
Euro.
firms in Europe.
Naya, move out na, move
I know
out.
where you work.
Sorry,
You're one of the
you're
best
not at
investigative
this
lawyers in
video.
the place.
Sorry.
I also,
Sorry guys, I will first
my
start.
clients aren't exactly angels.
That's true.
Pwede lang.
So what are you really getting done behind the desk?
Please,
Look at this.
please lang. Stop ng brain rot. Please. Nahulat ako brain rot. Lahat naman ng tao sabi sa isalim.
You said I
Sobrang brain rot na. So kung may great being wasted and I want OG brain rot. Pero ayaw ko OG brain rot. Pero old brain rot. Ayaw ko sabi lagi.
Mess around in this world.
First,
what about a partnership?
nasabi ko na yung sir, bawal nila.
Then I can.
Yeah, I guess.
Nawawala yung brain rot nun. Kailangan wag mong Italian brain rot.
Think about it.
Saka, please lang, wag ka na sabi yung brain rot. Nahirap na lagi lang. Saka din wag mo support yung 67. Kasi nung gagawa ng pera, diba? Gagawa ng merches. Napan mo siya, wag mo itay yung video. Kung pwede mo share yung friends and your classmate, bawal na minsan yung 6-7.
Jamie!
That means no brain rot in available in 2026. Kalalong recovery of the brain rot reason. Kalalong wala yung brain rot. Sa Pilipino or US or Latin country, ganito ito. Lagi lang wag yung pero still the brain rot. Please naman. Tignan mo yung baby namin, plus ng brain rot brain rot.
in his prison cell.
Lagi sabi, mag-in world.
You got to him. They're saying it was the
Oh,
answer.
like this. Like this.
Faster than a cheetah,
Stop.
cunning as a fox,
Just please stop.
more ferocious
I
than a
hate
tiger.
Kaya waste this?
Tita Ben.
O, diba? Brain rot.
Tita Ben. Tita Ben.
The brain rot na.
Below the bollocks.
Please lang na stop.
Hello.
Okay lang stop,
Once
please.
you run it,
Sige lang.
you never come off.
Sige. David,